you get the sagging Christmas tree garland effect, then you lose all your airflow in that. That ductwork has to be stretched, pulled tight, and then rehung. Other things that you want to make sure that you do is you want to make sure that you have enough return. Return is a big one. Right here. So this is a return pipe, and then
the one on the back.
The one on the back, which is underneath here, and it runs down. These are the two returns for the system.
We call it a return because it returns the air from the house back to the unit. The other side of the system is called supply because it supplies the air to the house.